Pressure washing and window cleaning business owner. Do you want to dominate the nearby cities with your services online? If so, what you need to do is create one main service areas page that lists each city with a short paragraph and a link to a mini page for that town. What happens is Google sees that structure and they're going to rank you accordingly as a regional authority, not just a one-town cleaner in your actual city. You can even go one step further and create tons of combinations of service and city pages. Add 5 to 10 of these a month, and then after a year of doing this, you're going to dominate your entire area. That's really how you expand your footprint without spending money on ads. So give that a try and just watch and see how it changes your results. I'm David Kunstec with Clean Marketing, and if you want to stay booked and busy all year long, keep following these videos and just take the time to apply what I show you to your business. And if you found this tip useful, don't forget to click the like button and then subscribe or follow me depending on what platform you're seeing this video on to get more content like this from me.